Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting. The battery in many Grand Cherokees is conveniently located under the passenger seat, making it accessible for replacement. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow each step carefully. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Begin by removing the trim panel on the passenger side to expose the battery compartment. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Once both terminals are free, carefully unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in place. You're almost ready to remove the old unit. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with your brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully position the new battery into the compartment, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten both connections firmly, but avoid over-tightening. You're almost done. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp to secure the new battery, then replace the passenger seat trim panel. Now, start your Jeep Grand Cherokee to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might notice some dashboard warning lights initially, which should clear after a short drive. If necessary, reset your vehicle's clock and radio presets. Enjoy your refreshed power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.